For a long time, paying for heavy software subscriptions like Premiere, PowerPoint, and ChatGPT Plus was accepted as the standard cost of doing business. Last year, I realized I was bleeding over $110 every single month just maintaining access to those standard tools. Then I audited what native AI platforms could actually do for free or for under $10. I tested alternatives and canceled almost everything. Clinging to those bloated legacy ecosystems is an active penalty on your operating budget. This chart shows the rapid adoption of AI tools compared to traditional software. According to Deloitte's 2026 Tech Trends report, 84% of creators have already integrated AI into their core workflows. If you stick to the old methods, you are competing against peers who are moving faster and operating with drastically lower overhead. The practical question is whether you can actually strip away professional-grade software, replace it with a $10 tool, and still output the same quality of work. Survival in the modern creator economy comes down to a specific trade-off. You give up absolute microcontrol in exchange for massive time and radical cost efficiency. Let's explore the actual tools. During a client meeting, you have a choice. You can actively listen and participate, or you can manually take thorough notes. Trying to do both means you do neither well. Fathom completely automates that busy work. It joins your Zoom, Leet, or Teams calls, records the conversation, and delivers a transcription hitting 92% accuracy. The moment the call ends, it instantly parses the conversation and extracts a clean list of specific action items. This comparison matrix highlights the financial gap. Competing AI meeting assistants charge upwards of $20 a month and cap your minutes. Fathom gives you unlimited recording and action items for $0. By delegating the clerical task of note-taking to an AI, you buy back your total focus and leverage during the conversations that actually matter. Video editing usually creates a massive bottleneck. You spend hours scrubbing through complex audio waveforms, manually cutting out every single and This diagram illustrates text-based editing. Descript transcribes your footage automatically. When you delete a sentence from the text document, that exact section of the video timeline disappears instantly. One production company tracked this workflow and found it compressed a standard 8-hour edit down to just 45 minutes. This matrix outlines the costs. Adobe Premiere Pro runs $20.99 a month and requires a steep learning curve. Descript costs $15 and is as beginner-friendly as a Google Doc. You do trade away some advanced frame-by-frame color and effects control, but in return, you gain an 80% reduction in your baseline editing time. Building presentations is a trap for fake work. We spend hours aligning boxes and picking fonts instead of refining our actual message. Gamma eliminates that formatting friction. You type a simple text prompt about your topic, and it generates a fully structured 10-slide deck in under 60 seconds. The tool maintains automatic thematic consistency throughout the generation and uses modern web-native card layouts that look clean on mobile devices. This matrix compares your layout options. Microsoft PowerPoint, paired with their Copilot add-on, will cost you over $20 a month. Gamma delivers a faster workflow for $8 a month, and the free tier gives you 400 credits to start. For standard pitches and client updates, rapid delivery and cohesive branding matter significantly more than having bespoke, granular control over every single slide layout. Securing professional voiceovers used to mean accepting steep hurdles. You paid a human voice actor roughly $350 per finished hour, and you waited 2 to 5 days for the audio file. ElevenLabs offers a $22 monthly tier that provides roughly 2.5 hours of studio-quality, multilingual generated audio instantly. Historically, synthetic voices fell into the uncanny valley. They sounded slightly robotic. Modern AI models have crossed that gap. To the average listener, these voices are indistinguishable from a human recording in a sound booth. Comparing the traditional model against ElevenLabs on this matrix highlights the reduced financial risk. At $22 a month, the subscription breaks even after generating just 6 minutes of audio. You lose the ability to give live, emotional direction to a human actor. However, the sheer cost reduction allows you to scale narrated content that was previously financially impossible. Right now, creators are dealing with heavy subscription fatigue. Paying separately for ChatGPT Plus, for Claude Pro, and Gemini Advanced can easily drain up to $110 from your account every month. AiZolo acts as a consolidation hub. You enter a single prompt, and this UI dashboard pulls distinct responses from all the major models side by side in 3 vertical columns. Instead of guessing which AI is best for a specific script or title, you can instantly compare multiple outputs and cherry-pick the strongest result. This matrix outlines the final swap. Maintaining individual AI subscriptions cost up to $110. AiZolo consolidates them all into one workspace for $9.90 a month. By abandoning those standalone interfaces for a unified hub, you cure tab fatigue and eliminate redundant monthly fees entirely. This calculator tally shows the final savings. Fathom replaces a $20 meeting assistant for free. Descript drops your editing software costs. Gamma replaces expensive presentation add-ons, and ElevenLabs reduces hundreds in voiceover fees down to $22. When we add the AiZolo consolidation, it wipes out another $80 or more in redundant AI subscriptions. Your old monthly burden was easily $150. Your new footprint is $31.90. Over the course of a year, you keep $1,400 in your business. A structural adjustment like this builds a permanent buffer into your profit margins, protecting your cash flow from unnecessary subscription overhead. This specific tool stack is tailored for budget-conscious solo creators and freelancers. If your survival depends on an 80-20 approach to efficiency, these applications fit your workflow perfectly. The exception is the enterprise specialist. If you are a professional colorist or a bespoke designer who requires hyper-granular control over every pixel, these AI tools will likely frustrate you. But if you fit the creator profile, every single tool we cover today offers a free tier. There is zero financial risk to testing the waters yourself. Drop a comment below and let me know exactly which legacy app you are finally going to cancel. The initial friction of learning these 5 interfaces results in a significantly lower operating cost and more time to focus on your actual creative work.